Grand rising to everybody. Good morning, good morning. Good. Wish you all have a great day. Be good to yourselves.
Any trash, any garbage.
None. It's early morning. I've been up since 2 o'clock. But I'll be in touch with everybody soon. Take care, everybody. Take care. Take care. Yeah. Okay. The lights are dim again. But I'm here.
They already had that trip going to DC to the school.
People walking
No,
by.
just two different kids on the same team.
Sorry.
It was just nice
That
seeing
was
them.
at,
I'm like, damn, I can't come on, I'm gonna be a parent chaperone that day.
Gate.
No, you fly.
Was thinking that my gate
Yeah.
10 was going to be right there. But not
They
so.
changed it.
People had to walk from gate F all the way over here to G.
Like,
But I made it. Sweating.
that's
But
why
I
I said
made
that'd be
it.
the day we're gonna be a parent.
Here
Parent
we are
chaperone or
waiting
something.
for the next leg of the journey. Giving thanks to all
That's
things.
gonna be the one plane where I don't care who going to DC. We buy all the
Casablanca.
tickets. So just the kids is on the.
It's a busy airport, very busy. Today at
All right,
least
man.
it's
We'll get you
busy.
guys stuff ready. I'll call you when we get ready to work though. Just. All right, I love you guys.
Yep. It's Tuesday, guys. Hope everybody is in a good place. Hope all is well with everybody. Make sure you hug your child today. Make sure you tell them you love them. Reach out and support somebody. A positive word is support. So don't be stingy with it, guys. Don't be stingy. Support. Never know when it will be your turn. So don't be stingy. Not sure where my video went, but guys, I was telling you that here I am on the second leg of my trip. Side, beautiful skies today. I say to you, make sure that you make it a great day by choice. Help somebody, encourage somebody, uplift somebody today. Remember, it's not just monetary kindness that helps, but also encouraging words do uplift and help people. I came on this flight and I have carry-on. I was going to try to push it under the seat. I'm sitting next to a white man who he just simply said, would you like me to put it in the overhead bin for you? I said, oh, thank you so much. And then once he was finished and he sat down, I said, thank you for kindness. He says, you treat people the way you want to be treated. And so that just add the icing on my cake for the day. So it's the same thing, guys. He didn't give me $1 million, but the kindness he showed me and the words he spoke, it makes my day great. So that's how that is, guys. Then I was sharing with you that today I did a lot of walking, a lot of sweating, because when we left, when we got here I'm connected in Fort Lauderdale. So when we connected here, when I'm coming back, it will be different. But came down and I saw that I was at gate 10, and I got excited. Okay, I'm gonna get off and be right there. Got off. Good thing I asked a question. I asked the girl, "This Montego Bay?" She says, "No, Montego, this is F. You need to go to G." Guys, G was a long walk. But anyhow, I got there, and once I found the place, I said, all right, it's a quick connection. So luckily, I wanted to use the bathroom. When I went, there was a long line out in the corridors, just long line waiting. So I went back. I said, no, I've got to hold it and take it to Jamaica. And we were sitting there, and then they said we were delayed for another 20 minutes or so. They were waiting for a plane to come in from DC. So then I used the opportunity to go back. The line wasn't so long, but there was still a line. But I got to empty my bladder, so I'm not uncomfortable. So that's good. So guys, just make it a great one. Just be good to yourselves, all right? Just be good to yourselves. And this is your girl, Miss Bev, and hopefully you'll get some videos from Jamaica, beautiful Jamaica. So pray me up, guys. Pray me up. Much love to everyone. Bye. Take care.
Good morning to our customers who have just joined us. Please do not change your seat assignments. This is for the weight and balance of the aircraft. So we're not full on top, but we do have a lot of bags and weight beneath the aircraft, so we need everyone to remain in their assigned seats. Please do not change your seat assignment unless you do contact an in-flight cabin crew member, as each customer is assigned to a particular zone of the aircraft. For those of you who have just joined us, a reminder, rows 1 through 5, 10, 11 are the Evermore space seats, which you purchased in advance only, not on board. Additionally, rows 10 and 11 are the designated emergency exit rows. If you're not assigned to the Evermore space or the exit rows, again, rows 10 and 11, please do not sit there. And thank you for joining us. Welcome on board.
See what's going on outside. Alright guys, so we just pray for guidance and for safe travels and for love. Thanks to my family, you all are so totally awesome. I just so love and respect you. And all you guys who have your children and you are talking about you're done with them and you carry them into the world and you take them out and them some, you know what, just learn to guide them and love them. Because my grandmother used to say that when I had my kids, I was struggling bad, but I didn't abuse them. Granny always said to me, Bev, them are your old age pension. And it didn't mean when I sent them to school, I made sure I had my degrees, so I wasn't sitting depending on them. And I remembered when they came home, they graduated and came home, and the person who dropped them off said, your mom is lucky. She has 2 of you graduated at the same time. If each of you give her $600 a month, she's gonna be good. And I said, no, I didn't send my kids to school for that. I said, I make my own $600 a month. But it's just amazing to see how these kids have grown up with the kind of heart that is so huge. That, you know, they respect and love me.
If you're on board, please ring your overhead call button.
They bought my ticket to send me home. Said, Mama, go chill for 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 4 weeks. You know, an open ticket. Go down, come back when you want to, Mommy. You know, they don't have to do it. This morning my son, hey Dukes, you know, your son loves you. I said, yes. Check your account, I put something in it. And it doesn't matter what it is, I'm not going to need cash in Jamaica. I make sure that I'm not going to use cash there. I don't need to. So I left my cards. I don't bring any cards. I make sure everything was taken care of so that I'm not spending cash down there. So I'm not bringing any kind of money. Just how they have the good heart. My brother got up at 2 o'clock in the morning to take me to the airport. It's a good thing. You know, yesterday I went to do my hair and my nails, and my daughter drove all the way to come pick me up. To drop me home. Who could it be but Jesus? So all I did was love them and work hard and encourage them to work hard.
Rows
And
10 and 11 are
it
the
pays
extra row
off.
seats. If you're not assigned to rows
So
10
guys,
and
do
11,
the
please do
same
not
for
sit
your
there.
kids.
Move to the
It
front
will
shortly.
pay off. It will pay off. So take care of yourselves. I'm gonna sign out now. Take care. Bye-bye.